Ballet Barre Preparations for Grands Battements Cecchetti Ballet Grade 2 Syllabus Course, Jacklyn Dougherty. Face the barre, feet in first position, combination. Counts 1 to 2, introduction, hold the position. Counts 3, 4, place the hands on the barre. Counts 1, tendu right foot devant to the ball of the foot. Count 2, lift the leg to dégagé height using the metatarsals. Count 3, lower to point tendu devant. Count 4, close in first position using articulation. Count 5 to 12, repeat twice with the same leg. Count 13, Grand Battement, the right leg to dégagé height. Count 14, lower to point tendu devant. Count 15, close in first position. Count 16, hold. Count 1 through 16, repeat all with the left leg. Note, this exercise is shown to the correct use of the feet for future grand battement, therefore not for the height of the leg. Much love, Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty, EDD.